once again mga ka-savers, and this is your financial educator, Mr. Tipid Tips, Papa Chad. And today ay pag-uusapan natin na makakatipid ng isang pamilya from 10,000 to 20,000 pesos by not going to the restaurant. Talaga, Coach Chad? Paano nangyari yun? Tara, samahan niyo ako at ipapakita ko. Imagine there's a family of 4. Tapos nagda-dine out sila on a Sunday. Pag nasa city, estimated cost po yan around 5,000 pesos. Pag nasa probinsya po kayo, katulad ko, probinsyano, that would cost around 2,500 pesos. So, in 1 month, estimated cost po ng isang family is around 10 to 20,000 pesos. Now, sinabi ko ba na hindi na tayo kumain sa restaurant? Definitely no. Kasi just like me, mahilig din akong kumain. What I'm trying to say is just minimize it lang po. If possible, kung may mga special occasions lang po, sana. Promise guys, believe me, you will be saving a lot of money. And if wala talagang budget, please guys, please, huwag mangutang para lang kumain sa labas. Instead, just go to groceries or sa mga tindahan, sa market. Buy your foods there and lulutuin na lang sa bahay. That way, malaki po talaga yung matitipid natin. Iba pa rin kasi if yung pamilya nasa bahay kumakain. Kasi there is no place like home. Ano sa tingin nyo mga ka-savers? If this video makes sense to you guys, then like it, follow it, and subscribe for more. God bless, and I wish you abundance and prosperity in life.